Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how to blur a part of a video in Clipchamp. For example, number plate of a car and so on. So we will open a Clipchamp. Let's say I will import a video here. I have downloaded this video from pixels.com. I will add it to my timeline. Let's say I want to blur this green boat so that it is not visible. What's written in this green board of this video? So for this, what we will do is we'll just right click on this video, we will duplicate this video, we will drag it and put it exactly to the top of the original video. We will select this top video and we will keep dragging. Let's say I want to blur from here, so I will split it and then again drag it back, and I will split it. So I want to blur this part of video because that green board is available within this part of the video. So what I will do is I will select this part, I will use crop tool, I will select that part of the video and then I will go to filter, effects. So we will go to effect, then click on blur. How much you want to blur it? The more you increase, the more transparent become, the lesser it is tracked, the more blur you can see. So I will do this and then let's say I will play the video now. So you can see the, it is being blurred. The board is being blurred. You can adjust accordingly to make it entire blur. Let's say I will from here I will split the video. And then on this part what I will do is I will drag this blurred part, I will increase it and then I will play it again. So in this way you can blur a part of a video, for example number plate of a car, name plate, mobile number, anything in your video through Clipchamp, and you can export it. So thank you for watching this video. Please do consider subscribing the channel if you liked this video.